Now, since the beginning of these videos, I changed the error reporting, and now we're seeing this undefined offset here. If you're seeing this, then it can be a good opportunity to try to figure out what's going on and fix it yourself. But let's go ahead and get that squared away while we're here. I'm going to go back to the editor, and we want to go to our build method inside of our block, because right here is where we're trying to access items in this reverse trail that may or may not be there. So basically, because the number of items is so large for, if we jump back to the browser, this block right here, I'm going to go back to the editor. We're going to loop through this however many number of items is set for that block. And once we get to 6 or 7, at that point, we don't have any items set in the array, but we're still referencing it. So what we need to do before we reference it is check to see if it exists. So what we'll do is copy this, and we'll add an if is set, and then paste that in. And then we'll indent this code and finish up the control statement here and save it. Now if we go back to the browser and refresh, we have no errors anymore. All right, nice.